Are you staring at that dreaded Coe Error 21 message in Adobe Illustrator, ready to throw your mouse out the window? Fear not, because in the next minute and a half, we're going to troubleshoot and banish this frustrating glitch for good. First, let's try a simple fix. Restarting both Adobe Illustrator and your computer can often clear up temporary software issues. Close Illustrator completely. Shut down your computer, wait a minute, then restart everything and open Illustrator again. Did that do the trick? If the Coe Error 21 persists, the problem may lie with your Illustrator preferences, which can sometimes become corrupted. To reset them, close Illustrator, then, on Windows, hold down Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift while launching Illustrator on a Mac. Do the same but use CMD plus Option plus Shift. Keep holding those keys down until you see a prompt asking if you want to reset your preferences. Select Yes. Another way to troubleshoot is to rule out any conflict between the program and an out-of-date graphics card driver. For that, check your graphics card drivers. You can determine if your drivers are new by visiting either the NVIDIA or AMD website. Check for the newest driver and download it to install. Sometimes, a corrupted Illustrator file can trigger the error. Try opening a different Illustrator file to see if the error persists. If it's specific to a particular file, try copying and pasting its content into a new, blank Illustrator document and saving it. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped you fix that pesky Coe Error 21, and you're back to creating awesome designs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and let me know in the comments which of these methods worked for you. And remember, creative workflow should never be interrupted.